Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 7th June which is celebrated as World Food Safety Day. Now welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the important events happened on 7th June in history of India and the world in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. The past is in your head, the future is in your hand. So, handle your present with your sincere efforts and self-confidence, which can support you to drive on the path of success to reach your goals. Now, let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Who was evicted from the first class compartment in night on this day in 1893, even though he had a valid ticket while he was travelling from Durban to Pretoria in South Africa? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. He was evicted from the first class compartment in South Africa because he was not white skinned. This incident changed the course of his life and he took up to fight against this racial oppression in form of civil disobedience movement. Question number 2. Which Indian actress born as Khurshid Akhtar on this day in 1935 is known for her films Aar Paar, Barsat, Kirat, Sarda, Khel Khel Mein, Naya Din Nayi Raat? Answer: Syama. Question number 3. Which Indian film director and screenwriter born on this day in 1914 who made film Dharti Ka Lal about the Bengal family of 1943, also known for writing Raj Kapoor's films like Awara, Shri 420, Mera Naam Joker, Bobby and Hena? Answer: Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Question number 4. Which Indian tennis player born on this day in 1974 who is the first Indian to win Grand Slam with Japanese player Rika Hiraki and is the founder of International Premier Tennis League? Answer: Mahesh Bhupati. Question number 5. Which is the India's second satellite launched on this day in 1979 from Volgograd, Russia? Answer: Bhaskar 1. The satellite is named after Indian astronomer Bhaskar. Question number 6. Which Indian politician died on this day in 2002 was the 5th Vice President of India from 1974 to 1979 and was the acting President of India from 11th February to 25th July 1977? Answer: Basappa Danappa Jatti. He became the active President of India after the death of Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Question number 7. Which Indian poet and lyricist became the first Indian to get Richard Dawkins Award on this day in 2020? Answer: Javed Akhtar. Question number 8. Which English writer died on this day in 1970 whose notable novels are A Room with a View, Howard's End and A Passage to India? Answer: Edward Morgan Foster. After her novel A Passage to India, he became popular. Question number 9. Which English mathematician died on this day in 1954 who is widely considered as father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence? Answer. Alan Turing. He is famous for his invention Turing machine. Question number 10. Which city became the smallest country in the world on this day in 1929 by becoming independent from Italy on this day with Lateran Treaty? Answer. Vatican City. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.